Yes, it is cute. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Aisha Janae. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also, give this video a thumbs up and comment below and let me know that you were here. As y'all can tell by the title, I'm just sitting here bored. So I'm like, I'm gonna start utilizing my bored times to record some content and, you know, get used to talking on camera. Although I do have 30 videos, I want to start being a expert at talking to you guys and picking up the camera, where it's basically what you call it, second nature. I know under this scar I got some Bantu knots in my head, and I will be showing y'all how it turned out. Now, I didn't record me doing it because this is actually my first time ever having them in my head. And I was thinking like, well, I want to get the concept down of learning how to do it, which it was very easy for me to do. So I don't know why I like underestimated myself and why I just didn't go ahead and record it. It took me like 3 hours. I couldn't find the strength or the courage to record me doing it. But I promise y'all, the second go around, since I know that it's very easy for me, I will be showing y'all on camera how I do it. I hope it turned out right. The products that I use, they were very moisturizing. It will be my go-to from now on. I've been natural for 5 years now, and I'm just now finding the things that works for my hair. I have been perm pretty much since I think my mom said I was 4, because my mom is a licensed hairstylist, and she got her license or finished school when I think I was 3 or 4, one of them. But she ended up putting a perm in my hair when I was 4, because she's not you know, like with hairstylists or beauticians, some have certain things that they lean on more. Like some might do sew-ins, some might do natural hair, some might do, you know, protective styles or whatever you want to call it. She didn't lean towards natural hair like that. She was more so of the quick weaves, the perms, you know, the perms was in. So she put a perm in my head, and I don't fault her for that. I was upset at her for a while. I got over it real quick, because now that I know my hair, I truly understand why she did it. My hair is, I'm not gonna say it's snappy, because I don't like that term. I hate that the black community even use that term, even though it is a word. But I just say my hair is more on the coarser side. I will be being on a more consistent base with my uploads. I don't know if I want to do it every Wednesday when I get off from my job, or every Thursday and Friday, because my off days are Thursday and Friday. So comment below and let me know what y'all think. I took my Bantu knots out. I'm still kind of like playing with it a little bit, but what y'all think? I'm liking it. I think I'm liking it. I'm liking it, y'all. I'm liking it. It looks good. I did good for my first try. The next time I'm gonna make them looser, because I did do them like tight, and I seen some videos where it said that don't make them too tight, or you know, it's gonna be a tight curl. But yeah, I know how I am with my hand. My hand get the, I be liking it looking smooth or whatever, even though you ain't gotta make it too tight to look smooth. But I just me being me, honey, I gets heavy-handed, so I'm liking it, y'all. Like, it is beautiful. Along, I mean, the hair along is beautiful, but then I did my makeup. I'm just looking so gorgeous. Like, I am loving it, y'all. I really am. This is amazing. I like it. I will be doing this. This gonna be my probably one of my go-to styles, along with my twist outs, because I do like my twist outs. But I have fallen in love with my hair. I think it was a success. It's been in for like 6 days now, and I have been oiling my hair with Wild Growth oil, but to take it down I use Blue Magic grease, and it's the Super Hair Growth. This is lit right here. I like it. My hair is probably, it's above bra strap length, but it's not shoulder length, like in between. So I kind of knew, regardless of me doing them loose or tight or whatever, it was gonna be a lot of shrinkage with the Bantu knots. So I'm not tripping. I like them. I heard they'll fall eventually, but even if they don't, I like it, because I know with this it'll probably last for about a week. I've been having it in a week, so I gotta show y'all what I use too, or I might just show that in the next video. I didn't want to do them on the camera because, like I said, this is my first time doing them. So I know y'all, I could have showed y'all my first attempt, whether it was a fail or, I know, but I'm just silly like that. I'm not gonna use a pick to pick it out or to make it big, because I like this look. And the products that I use, man, it's expensive, but I have finally found what works for my hair, and I'm not gonna be buying anything else for a long time, because this is what works for my hair. I have bought a whole lot of products over the years and wasted money. It's not really a waste, because it got me to where I am now on what I, you know, me knowing what my hair needs and what it don't need. But yeah, I am very satisfied with the results. Now, some of them, they did dry, but some of them, like I said, this is my first time. I was having a hard time like getting the concept in the back, but once I got it, honey, I feel like this front is way better than the back. That's how I feel. But I will be doing this often because I like it. I just love curls. I'm a curly girl. I feel like I did the front way better than the back, but it still turned out lovely. Y'all, I am in love. I really am. I'm in love with this style. I was gonna do it to the side, but I like it like this. My hair look like a wig. My hair look like a wig. But y'all, don't forget to thumbs this video up, comment below and let me know you are here, and subscribe so y'all won't miss anything. I told y'all we were coming. We were coming, and we coming, steadily coming, and coming and coming. So I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna go get me something to eat, and I'll see y'all next video. Bye.